Hi, I'm here with Ms. Solius. My first question is, why do we have assemblies?
We have school assemblies for a lot of different reasons. Sometimes it's just to start the year off with an all-school assembly to kind of introduce teams and teachers, and so you can put a name to a face. We've had assemblies to honor people that are getting awards, congratulate teams, winter assemblies to kind of bring everybody back together and pull SOARS tickets. We've had a St. Baldrick's fundraiser assembly, so there's just a lot of different purposes for assemblies.
How are decisions made about their timing and the topic they address?
So we have a committee, it's called our behavior team, and they look at the year, the calendar for the year, and see when assemblies are needed and the purpose of each assembly. So like our winter one would be around winter time, our spring one, or if we're doing one for testing and we want to celebrate some upcoming event, we kind of look and map out our calendar. But our behavior team kind of organizes that, picks the theme, the games, and everything that's involved.
Who is responsible for planning school assemblies?
So that's our behavior team. So it's all admin are on there, teachers, social workers, counselors. We sit kind of in our conference room and talk about what's the purpose of this committee and what we want to communicate out to our students. And we always want participation too. So what are the students going to do? What are the teachers responsible for? So, what games do we want to put in, or slideshows or pictures, things like that. So our behavior committee kind of plans it all, delegates what kind of music we're going to use, things like that. But we meet a couple times a year to plan out assemblies.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.